All right, we've officially reached the last topic of our data modeling section. Let's talk about best practices. First and foremost, focus on building a normalized model from the start. Remember, that means that each table in your model serves a single, distinct purpose. You should be using relationships over merged tables whenever possible. At the end of the day, creating relationships between multiple, long and narrow tables is better and more efficient than merging them together into a bunch of short and wide tables. Number 2, organize lookup tables above your data tables in the diagram view. This is not required. It has no impact to performance or calculations or anything like that. It really just serves as a visual reminder and a little cue that those filters do flow downstream from your lookups down to your data tables. Number 3, try to avoid complex cross-filtering unless absolutely necessary. So we talked about some of those warnings with two-way filters. So avoid using them unless you absolutely have to, and especially when a one-way filter will get the job done. Last but not least, hide fields from report view to prevent invalid filter context. My recommendation is to hide the foreign keys from data tables unless you need them, so that users aren't able to access invalid fields for filtering. So there you have it, my personal best practices for data modeling in Power BI.